Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make your Google Drive folder view only. So guys, first of all, let's just open our Google Drive application on our phone. Then we're going to select a folder. We want to make it view only. And for example, I'm gonna go with this folder. So we can tap on this three dots button on the folder and click on the manage access option. And on this manage access option, we have to click on the general access. And as you can see guys, that my folder is still restricted, so only people added can open with the link. And we're going to make this folder view only for anyone. So we can tap on this restricted option and tap on the restricted again. Then you can choose anyone with the link. Okay. And make sure that you select viewer right here. We can tap on it. Right here we can tap on viewer, commenter, editor. And since we want to make our Google Drive folder view only, we can select viewer. And after that, we can go back to the previous section, and now anyone on the internet with the link can view this Google Drive folder. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our Google Drive folder view only. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.